Washoe County Emergency Management with the May required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Federal
Perdonando.
S helps ensure that EAS participants are ready to provide information in a crisis. This concludes today's test of the emergency alert system. This is Washoe County Emergency Management with the May required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Federal, state, and local officials use EAS to keep you informed in the event of an emergency or disaster through your local radio and TV stations and cable providers. This test helps ensure that EAS participants are ready to provide information in a crisis. This concludes today's test of the emergency alert system.